Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide mouse from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide mouse from control panel, go to search, in search type control panel, click on control panel. Here you will find the mouse option and you can customize your mouse settings from here. Now I am going to show you how to hide mouse option from control panel. Close control panel, go to search, in search type gpedit, click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates and click on control panel. Here you will find a setting, hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Right click on it and click on edit. Now select enabled. On list of disallowed control panel items, you will find a show button. Click on show button. Under value, type Microsoft M capital dot mouse, Microsoft dot mouse. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. The group policy setting is enabled. Close local group policy editor. Now you need to update the group policy. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update /force to update the group policy immediately and then click on OK. The policy is updating. Now you need to sign out your computer and then sign in again. Click on start menu, click on your profile icon and click on sign out. After signing in again, I am going to check. Go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel and look, in control panel mouse option is hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.